Hiding unused symbols in MetaTrader 4 keeps MarketWatch cleaner and reduces unnecessary quote updates. When a symbol is visible in MarketWatch, the platform can continue receiving bid and ask price data for that instrument. If your broker offers a large number of markets, keeping every symbol visible can mean MetaTrader 4 is processing data you do not need. Moreover, it reduces internet data traffic, lowers CPU and memory usage to prevent platform freezing, and clears visual clutter in the MarketWatch window, ensuring smoother execution and preventing data bottlenecks. To hide a symbol, open MarketWatch, right-click the instrument and select Hide. You can also use Hide All to remove multiple unused symbols at once. Symbols linked to open charts or active positions may remain visible because the platform still needs them. Hiding a symbol does not remove it from MetaTrader 4. You can bring it back at any time by opening the MarketWatch menu and selecting Symbols or Show All. The main benefit is simple. A shorter MarketWatch list is easier to navigate, quicker to manage, and keeps the platform focused on the instruments you are actually using.